Welcome back, UIA. My name is Jerome, UIA's first homegrown CFI. Today we have...
My name is Jamal. I am 15 years old. I'm a sophomore in school, 10th grade. I'm excited to fly today.
Hi, is your first time ever flying?
Yes.
First time ever in a plane?
Yes.
Oh.
Not in plane.
Oh,
first
okay.
time
I'm about to say both. All right, ready to go?
Yes.
All right. So now we're gonna start our taxi, okay? So remember, have my hand on the yoke. You're gonna have your hand on the... We're following this taxi line that's in front of us, okay? See you to the right.
Public
So now
ground,
push it to the right.
Alpha.
Hey, there we go. Kind of see it now, right? So we want to be on the middle. We want to be on the middle of the taxi line.
A yellow line right in front of us?
Yep.
Okay.
Right on the middle of it. We're gonna take this one that's going to the right. Yep, so push it right. Here we go, we're going forward now, okay? We was told to turn right on Alpha. Do you see the taxi sign, the small N and A coming up?
Oh yeah, right there.
So the N is in black, which means we're on November. We're turning right on Alpha, so we're gonna be turning this way, okay? Alright, so we're clear to the left. We're gonna be making a right turn over here. So full right. Here we go, good. We're gonna be going straight down. So our departure runway is all the way down on Alpha on this taxiway. Add a little bit of brake, so when we brake, we do both brakes at the same time, okay? So the smooth, smoothly brake. There we go. Alright, we're good. But we're not stopping.
Romeo, just hold short of golf.
Just slowly braking.
Roger that, we'll hold short of golf to you, Romeo. Alright, I want you to turn on the strobe light, STROBE. Yep, anytime we cross the active runway, strobe lights go on, okay? Those are like the white flashing lights. See that plane that's in front of us?
Yeah,
a little bit to the left?
Yes, sir, we're at Atlantic with...
Oh, it's straight down, but it's the one to the left. It's like the half white, half black.
I have one amendment for you. New departure frequency.
Moving right now?
Yeah.
Do you see on the edge of it how it has those white flashing lights?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, those are strobe lights. So anytime we cross the active runway or enter a runway, strobe lights come on.
Runway 1 at Bravo 5.
And I want you to stop here.
Bravo, hold short of 1 at Bravo 5. Exit 5.
They just told us to stop here so this plane can cross in front of us, alright? Alright, ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, your controls. Alright, so we're going to be making a left turn here. Alright. Up here. Alright. Just real quick, I'm just gonna go over to take over again. That airspeed tape. 55 knots is gonna be our rotation speed, okay? Once we reach 55, we're gonna slowly pull back on the yoke, okay? Have your second.
We're gonna slowly pull back
at 55.
Okay.
You're gonna have your left hand on the yoke and your right hand on the power, so you're gonna be controlling both, okay? Republic Tower, Scott 2328 Romeo, holding short 32 at Alpha 1.
This is 232 at Romeo, Republic Tower, hold short runway 32.
Holding short 32, 232 at Romeo. Alright, so now we're just waiting for them to give us the clearance to take off.
Romeo, runway 32, line of point.
Line of point, runway 32 to Romeo. Alright, I want you to put all the lights on, land lights, strobe light. Good, right? So hand on the power, right? So yeah, but we're going forward, right? So add a little bit of juice, add a little bit. Oh, now pull the power back to 1,000.
Acres.
And now you keep it straight now, okay? But handle it, hand on it.
10 Alpha 3, Alpha 3, back with me.
Alpha 3, Alpha back with you to 3.
Now we're turning left on the runway, okay? And we're stopping, okay? We wasn't clear to take off, okay?
No conga line today?
Okay, so we can stop here.
Not today. Romeo, right turn out southeast approved, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 32, 232 at Romeo. Ready? Yeah. Alright, so full power in. Feel out the brakes, so heels on the floor. And full power.
All the way in?
All the way in. Yep, and you're gonna hold it there, okay?
Okay.
Jet 5 at 97 Republic Tower, runway 32, line of point.
32, line of point, exit Jet 597.
Alright, remember 55, right? So start to slowly pull back. Yep, pull up. There you go, yep, pull up. No, power in.
Oh.
At the,
I'll pull up the throttle?
Yeah, pull up the yoke, right? Keep right hand on there and keep it in, okay? There we go.
286, we got the latest weather into East Hampton.
Alright, so alright, the way how it goes, you start out with a reference heading. Right now I'm at 3,000 feet, and I'm also at a west heading of 270, okay? So 3,270. One to the left first, alright?
Alright.
Turning all the way into the second to last line. Alright?
Alright.
On the turn corner, alright? So as I bank, also have to see how I'm pulling back on the yoke too?
Yeah.
You have to do both. If you don't, the airplane is going to start to descend.
Alright.
And every turn, in order to maintain altitude, you have to apply back pressure on the yoke.
Okay.
So you see how you kind of feel that pressure in your seat, like you're going into it? There we go. Feel it, right?
Yeah.
It's just me trying to maintain that altitude, right? And I at 3,000 and back to 270. Okay?
Okay.
So remember, the most important thing is the steeper the bank, more back pressure you have to maintain to keep altitude, okay?
Okay.
Ready to try it?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Are you ready to the left or right?
It's up to you. What do you do first? I can do left first.
Left, alright.
Okay? Alright, ready?
Ready.
So you have one trick too, because the throttle is locked. One trick you do, you can use two hands on the opposite side of the corners of the yoke.
Okay.
Alright, ready? One to the left first. Not too soon. You don't.
Okay.
There we go. Alright, now second to last line. Good, right there. Oh, too much bank, too much bank.
Okay.
Right on the second to last, okay?
Alright.
There we go, that's much better. Second to last, there we go. Good, right there. Too much bank, so you see how we're climbing now? We're a little bit too high, so let's let go a little bit of back pressure. Now let's get back to 3,000, okay? So start to pull up now. There we go, good. Maintain that. See how we're almost at 270 now? So start to roll it right. Start to roll it right, roll it right. Hey, hold it there. A little bit of back pressure, just a little bit. Here we go. This one is nice. Too much back pressure. Let's ease it a little bit. Here we go. Now back pressure just a tiny bit. Hold it. There we go. So it's a little bit more bank. A little bank to the right. Just a tiny bit. There we go. That's good. Here we go. This one is nice. Okay. You're doing really good. All right. So start to roll it left. Recover back to 270. Oh, that one was beautiful. That one was good.
Yeah.
That one was really good. Can you, our airport is our 12 o'clock now. Our airport, so 12 o'clock means straight ahead, like you know, like a clock?
Yeah.
So 12 o'clock, airport is our 12 o'clock now.
Okay, so keep descending?
We're gonna, 200 more feet. I'll put the altitude bug there for you so you can.
Hey, is it all the way down there? Right there?
Yep, that's on our way.
Okay.
So 28 Romeo, runway 32, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 32, 28 Romeo.
Stay to the Bravo, have a good day.
2 whites, 2 reds all the way, that's good. Power in.
Inside 0 Fox Whiskey.
Sergeant Fox Whiskey, clear to land, number 2.
Third land, number 2.
Power in, power in, power in. Little, power in.
Power in, power in.
In. So remember I said if we see more reds than white, what do?
Pull up.
We slightly, so power in and pitch up. Up. Not a climb, just a level off. So I see how we're 2 whites and reds?
Yeah.
Now power back and nose down.
Going down?
Nose down, nose down. We're gonna leave power where it is. All right, so now we're gonna slowly start to idle our power back. Go over the numbers.
More power?
Out. Power out. There we go. Good. Hold that plane up. Hold the nose up slightly, just a little bit, not too much. Hold it up. Oh. It's okay. Hey, that's why I'm saying you gotta hold that nose up, right? Prince, You want that the main landing gears to touch the ground first, right?
The back?
Yeah, you gotta hold. You gotta really hold it up, right? Prime back. Yeah.
Which sector?
Where's our left hand?
4013, Gus 25.
Alpha 4 going to Atlantic today.
What's your first flight? We all in?
Yeah, it was fun.
Hey, fine. You wanna go
Alpha
out?
4, call 7, cross runway 1, taxi Atlantic, Piper 0 Foxtrot Whiskey.
That's good. That's good. Glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you.